In this video, I'll show you how to install and use LibreOffice on a Windows 11 PC or laptop. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type LibreOffice download and press enter. Open the official LibreOffice website from the search results. On the homepage, click the download button to get the latest version for Windows. Once the setup file is downloaded, open your downloads folder and double-click the LibreOffice installer file. A setup window will appear. Click Next to continue. You can choose the typical installation option, which is recommended for most users. Then click Next again. Now, click Install to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete and then click Finish. Once installed, open the Start menu, type LibreOffice, and click on the app to launch it. Now, let's see how to use LibreOffice. When you open LibreOffice, you'll see several tools available, including Writer for creating documents, similar to Microsoft Word, Calc for spreadsheets, similar to Excel, Impress for presentations, similar to PowerPoint, Draw for diagrams and drawings, Math for formulas and equations, Base for databases. Click on any tool you want to use. For example, click Writer to create a new document. You can now start typing, format text, insert images, and save your document, just like in other Office software. To save your file, click File in the top menu, then select Save As, choose a location, enter a file name, and click Save. And that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful and easy tutorials.